Transform your career with one of our 3 exclusive dermaplaning certification courses, your key to unlocking unmatched success. If you're ready to stand out in the crowded aesthetics industry, there's one thing you need to do: master dermaplaning like no one else can. And at Advanced Esthetic Training, we've made that easier than ever with our 3 specialized dermaplaning certification programs that are specifically designed to meet you where you are and take you exactly where you want to go. Whether you're new to the industry or an experienced practitioner looking to sharpen your skills, or an ambitious professional eager to offer cutting-edge treatments that wow your clients, these programs are designed to help you dominate your market. This is the fast track to becoming the esthetician clients rave about, come back to, and refer their friends to. Why this investment is a complete no-brainer. By enrolling in these courses, you're not only just learning another treatment, you're unlocking a powerful revenue-boosting skill that few competitors can match. Imagine delivering dramatic, visible results that leave your clients glowing, renewed, and utterly loyal to you. Now picture those same clients spreading the word, telling their friends, and turning you into the go-to esthetician in your area. This is more than just a class. It's a transformation for your business. More clients, higher prices, lasting success. Why you can't afford to miss this opportunity. Here's the hard truth. The estheticians who stay stuck are the ones who fail to evolve. They keep offering the same services as everyone else. They let competitors outshine them. They struggle to raise their prices because their skills aren't at top notch. That's not going to be you, because you're smarter than that. You're here to lead the way, offer something no one else can, and stand out in a sea of estheticians who are still doing the bare minimum. With our training, you'll be offering the kind of results that clients rave about, treatments that make people say, "You have to go to her." Here's how we're going to help you succeed. The Dermaplaning Mastery Class, build a rock-solid foundation. If you're new to dermaplaning, this course is going to be your launch pad. We'll teach you essential techniques and safety protocols so you can deliver flawless results from day one. You'll leave this class knowing how to give clients the smooth, glowing skin they're craving, so they'll keep coming back again and again. You'll master every step of the dermaplaning process, understand client needs like a pro, ensuring you deliver personalized treatments that work, and gain the confidence to provide safe, professional treatments your clients can trust. The Advanced Dermaplaning Techniques Class. Maximize your expertise. Already have some experience? This course is going to take you from good to unstoppable. You'll learn how to refine your techniques for even better results, tackle tough skin conditions with ease, and add profitable services that boost your revenue. You'll perfect your skills for optimal, long-lasting results that leave your clients glowing. Learn advanced protocols to treat challenging skin types with ease. Maximize your revenue by mastering high-demand, add-on services that clients are willing to pay more for. Dermaplaning with Chemical Peels Class. Unlock advanced, in-demand treatments. This is where the magic happens. When you combine dermaplaning with chemical peels, you're delivering next-level transformations that your clients can't find anywhere else. This course will show you how to safely and effectively pair dermaplaning with powerful exfoliants to treat even the toughest skin conditions, leaving your clients with radiant, youthful skin that they'll rave about. You'll offer premium services that set you apart from the competition, deliver deeper, more noticeable results that clients will pay top dollar for, expand your expertise to tackle stubborn skin issues like never before. Why you need this training to survive and thrive in today's market. Let's face it, the skincare industry is more competitive than ever, and staying on top requires offering results that blow people away. You can't afford to keep delivering average treatments. With these 3 courses, you'll not only meet, but exceed your clients' expectations every single time. Do you want more clients than you can handle? The ability to charge higher prices and feel confident you're worth every penny? A steady stream of referrals because your clients can't stop talking about their incredible results? Complete mastery of dermaplaning and chemical exfoliation techniques that set you apart as a true expert? If you answered yes, then you're exactly the kind of esthetician who will thrive with our training. It's time to invest in yourself and your future success. Stop struggling to differentiate yourself from the competition. Stop fearing the new spa in town and start offering treatments that make clients come to you, not just once, but for life. These courses are your fast track to success, giving you the skills, confidence, and expertise to become the skincare expert that everyone's talking about. Imagine walking into your treatment room every day, knowing you have the skills to deliver jaw-dropping results that turn first-time clients into repeat customers. This is the reality you can create when you invest in yourself and future by taking these courses. Ready to level up? You don't want to miss out on this. These dermaplaning certification programs are a proven pathway to success. When you enroll, you're not just getting training, you're investing in the skills that will transform your business and set you up for long-term growth and success. Visit our webpage today to get started and unlock the full potential of your practice. Your future clients and your bank account will thank you. The truth is, retaining loyal clients who rave about your services isn't about gimmicky discounts or the latest expensive toy. It's about tapping into the secrets of advanced skin rejuvenation that 97% of your competitors are clueless about. Secrets that transform you from just another esthetician into a skincare master whose clients would never dream of going anywhere else. These aren't some generic, outdated training, rehashing the same old techniques. They're an intensive program that unlocks the power of dermaplaning that could be your reality when you enroll in these one-of-a-kind programs.